So what's my take daw dun sa virtual assistant agency na maraming mass layoff? Alam naman natin kung ano yung agency na yun kasi dun din naman ako nanggaling. And I posted parang something lang about it, pero I didn't say anything. I do know details about what happened. May mga nakita ako nag-post regarding dahil AI daw, hindi yun dahil sa AI. Um, I do still have a lot of friends na mga managers na na nandoon sa company na yon. But of course, in professional tayo eh, 'di ba? So those are things that I'm not gonna talk about kasi hindi din naman ako part ng company, so I don't have the right to say anything. I don't think anybody has the right to say anything about what happened except for official statement na manggaling sa kanila. So, ako honestly, I'm just waiting for them to post their official statement as to what's happening. Especially ang ingay na sa social media ngayon. But yeah, I do know from internally from people who are still there kung ano talaga yung nangyari. And yeah, it's just really very sad na ang dami nawal ng trabaho, I think a week before Christmas last year. But ganyan talaga ang business eh. Whether it's a virtual assistant na trabaho, remote work na trabaho, or corporate or on-site na work, things happen sa mga businesses that is most of the time out of the control of the mga employees. So, the only thing na pwede natin gawin right now is to pray for those na nawalan ng work and hopefully by this time may mga trabaho na sila. Nag-reach out ako sa mga ibang alam kong na-lay off, and I'm trying to help them na makahanap ng trabaho kasi yun naman ang goal natin eh. Yun naman ang advocacy ko is makahanap ng makatulong na makapagtrabaho yung mga tao. So yeah, I'm slowly giving them work. So if any of you are watching this and you are part of the layoff and you're still looking for work, just message me, leave me a DM or comment here. Mas mabilis pag-comment. So, yun lang yung side ko doon.